Want to view weekly opponent rank versus your players on the NFL app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, launch open the NFL Fantasy app. Now, head over to your team page. Go ahead and look for your roster. Right under each player's name and upcoming game, you see a small number with OPRK next to it. That stands for opponent rank. This number shows how well or poorly that week's opponent defends against your player's position. For example, if your running back is facing an opponent ranked 30th OP RK, that means it's a great matchup. They allow the third most points to RBs, but if the number is 1, that defense is the toughest against that position. You can tap on the player's profile for a deeper look at the matchup notes, projections, and game previews. And that's it. That's how you know how to check weekly opponent rank in NFL Fantasy app so you can set smarter lineup. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.